Jai Shri Ram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, recently I have received a message in my comment section, and the message is that, ma'am. I really want to speak in English, but what happened when I go outside in front of the public and I try to speak in English? So always they people, I mean to say, people always try to discourage me, and they said that why are you learning this language? Okay, you are becoming अंग्रेज, अच्छा तुम अंग्रेज बन रही हो. So in this way they always discourage me. So how to overcome this these types of problem? Okay, friends. So okay, I know there are most of the people, they always try to discourage the people. Okay, what happened? If you really want to learn this language, so you have to keep motivate yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you a motivational story, and believe me friend, this story will make you believe in yourself and also give you self-confidence to overcome these types of problem. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay, friends. So let's get into the topic. Okay, friends, my today topic is a motivational story. So the story goes like this. Once upon a time, there lived two children in a village. Both two children are brother. One of one of them was a 10-year-old boy, and the second one was 6-year-old boy. Both boys have a great affection for each other. Okay, they would always be together, they would always be play together. So while playing, once they went outside the blaze, and there outside the blaze there was a forest, and in that forest there was an old well. Okay, purana kuआं था, and no one used to go there. But what happened? While playing, both children reached nearby that well. Okay, so unaware of that well, the elder brother fell into the well. Okay, suddenly fell into the well while playing and started shouting loudly for asking help, because he did not know how to swim. So he started shouting loudly, help me, help me, help me. And the younger brother, seeing the falling into the well, seeing the his elder brother falling into the well, so the younger brother started looking around, but there was no one who could help him. So he started looking around everywhere. Then he saw a rope lying nearby and tied a bucket with it. So he suddenly grabbed a rope in a one hand, and with the other hand he threw a bucket into the well. And the elder brother suddenly grabbed the bucket. Okay, and younger brother started pulling out. He started pulling out with he started pulling the rope all his courage that he had. It took some time, and slowly the younger brother pulled out his brother out from the well. Both the brother meet happily, and they bent back into the blaze. When they bent back to blaze, so they started saying about what happened to them today, all the blazers. But no one can believe him. Okay, no one can believe them. How it is this possible? 6-year-old boy how can pulled a 10 years old boy with a bucket, with a iron buckets? It's not possible. They are saying false. But many time both children explained many time, yes, this is true, it happened with us, but no one can believe them. There in that place there was an old man, and he was very wise. All the villagers had a great faith on on that old wise man. So when the old wise man listened this, so he said this, yes, it is possible, it is possible. So all the villagers had come and they said, how can it possible, sir, how can it possible? A 10 years or a 6-year-old boy how can pulled a 10 years old boy from the well? It's not possible. So that man old and that wise old man said that yes, it is possible, because at that time when it is happening, at that time there was no one at that place who could say to the boy that you can't do this, you can't do this. So this is a story, this is a story. So if we see in our life, so we will find that the pupil's words can have a great big effect to others life. Okay, most of the time people always try to give negative effect on the others life. They always discourage the people, they always try to when most of the people try to move on the path of progress, on the path of success, so always people try to discourage him and they try to drag him backward. For this, what you need to do to overcome these types of problem, you need to turn a deaf ear into the critics, okay, into the negative influence. Turn a deaf ear. After that, you can do what you want. But for this, because before this, you have to keep motivate yourself, you have to work on yourself. You know what is yourself, you have an infinite impossibility, like that younger boy. But first thing is that you have to recognize your possibilities, you have to recognize your power. Why are you asking for the others people? Why are you trying to achieve for others attention? Am I doing right? I'm good. Am I good? Why are you asking? I know you are good, you have a great power, you are doing good. Why are you asking for others, that they praise you? They don't praise you. Okay, there are few peoples who always praise others qualities and others power. There are most of the people who always try to drag the people who wants to move on the path of success, the path of progress. Okay, so there are many peoples who always try to drag the people and backward him. Okay, and if you are one who do that, don't do that, please don't do that. Okay, please try to motivate others for doing their work. Okay, and motivate also yourself, keep motivate yourself. Okay, because this is a thing that if you do this thing, then you will do even the impossible thing. Okay, even the impossible thing you will do. But before, you have to give a deaf ear towards the critics, towards the negative influence, and then after that you can do whatever you want. Okay, you have a lot of power, you have a lot of possibility. Recognize your possibility. In this story there are six there is a 6-year-old boy can pulled 10 years an elder boy. You can also do the same, you can also achieve the big thing. Okay, so friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.